Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to make space between two pictures in Word. If you want two images to stay perfectly side by side with a specific gap, then use a table. So go to the insert, click on the table and click on insert table. So pick the number of 3 columns and number of rows 1. Click OK. So now insert your first picture in the left cell. So for this you need to click on the insert, go to the picture, click from this device and click the picture, readjust it. And now click in the third column and insert the picture. Click on the insert, go to the picture, this device and resize the picture. So leave the middle cell empty. You can resize this column to create the exact amount of space you want, like this one. Drag it and you can drag it to make the space according to your need. And now select the table by clicking this 4-side arrow and then right click, go to the table properties. Now go to the borders and shading and click none and apply to the table, click OK and OK. And here you can see that the both images has the space between and the border is already gone. So in the second method you need to use the space bar. So for example, if you have these two pictures side by side, then click on the inline text and then drag the mouse to the bottom and then click the right arrow to see a cursor is blinking between the two pictures. Now press the space bar and repeatedly to add small increments of space as you want. You can also use the tab key if you want a larger uniform jump, but right now it is best. If you press the key, then you can see that a much larger space has been created between the two pictures. So in the third method, you need to select the first picture and click on this layout option and click on this square button. And now head to the second image and select it. Go to the layout option and select the square. And now you can move the image and here you can see a space is creating automatically. And here you can also move this image and create a space. So this way you can easily make space between two pictures in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.